Hi guys. Dapat dito.
Everybody knows Christmas is coming. Thank one and all. Time to hang your stockings, baby, and have yourself a ball. People all over this big world, they're getting ready to play. Kissing under the mistletoe and rocking the night away. So let's dance, baby. Let's swing the night away. Baby, hold me close, 'cause in our hearts Christmas is here to stay.
May nakita na si Gwyneth.
White. I red.
Pang-honeymoon daw. Susot niya. Okay, si Cinderella. Pangit. Hi guys. Nag-food trip kami guys. Six. Okay, bigyan yung pandaregla daw. Hi everyone! So, andito kami sa Southwoods. We were supposed to buy...
Wala akong bumili kasi...
Guys, bumili siya ng lingerie. Worth 100 pesos. Lingerie. Lingerie. As in legit lingerie.
Sige. It's a pencil.
So guys, we're here at Tulay Hills San Agustin.
You know, pag ikakasal ka
Ay! Amen. It's so big! Look guys, it's so big. Ay, sorry.
sa simbahan ka.
Ang tigas. Oh, it's so big.
Hi guys.
Guys,
Dapat dito tayo nag-picnic. Ba't nangyayagin na mababa ka? Ipakita mo how big.
Pananalit.
Yes.
Ano tayo maliit?
Hindi sila nagsisimba guys. May pulis!
Uy!
So guys, meron ng yaw-yaw.
First of all, galing kami sa Southwoods and wala kaming napala sa Southwoods. So, next stop natin? Sa Pasita Robinson guys. And we bought something there. So finally. And then our next stop is Robinson's Galleria. Grabe! Kung saan kami napupunta. Look at her.
Hi guys! Naantok na ako.
Girls are back.
Nakasambahay edition.
But we're not complete. We have one meeting. Everyone, so we're walking kasi wala, malapit lang.
Oo, pampababa yan.
Time check. Dali. Guys, time check. 8:39 PM and we're here.
Hindi ka nagsabi, wala kaming dalang pera.
Oo nga.
Hindi kayong kasama niya.
Ay, okay. Hindi man lang nagayo eh.
Hindi mo lang kami na.
Okay, sige.
Sila iro na ganyan natin. Okay, kunin mo muna yung mga backtrack. Ako muna yung dalawa kasi useless ang gagawin namin dyan pag wala yung dalawa. Oo, useless daw kayo.
Ay, ganon, Tita May. Stop the car. Useless daw tayo.
Okay.
Pimple patch.
I need that.
Okay, so. Guys, update. Yan, may Beltran thingy. Yuck. Hala.
Jacob, bibili pa tayo.
The dogs. Tignan nyo guys yung background.
Ito may sila ilalagay dito.
Saw your silhouette in the backlight. Swear we could have met in a past life. Dreaming every night like the last time. So I end all my days with you. Yeah, we should share a backseat in a taxi to get home. No need for either.
We're gonna show you something guys. Look. And this 1, 2. Again.
Yan, dapat yun yung mga kanta. Ayaw niyo mag-speak.
Try mo nga ibabasa. Uy, pwede. Yeah. Layas. Net. Mga naglayas. People of the universe. Tingnan nyo guys. Love Avenue. Guys, naglayas naman ako. Going somewhere. Merry Christmas.
Tigin kayo kung gusto yung upo.
Ayun na lang. Hey everyone! Tour guide. Hoy, tour guide. Uy, hello, parang ano, screen. Okay, so we're now here at MOA and the struggle is real. Busog? Busog. Nag-enjoy ka? Sarap. Ikaw? Ikaw? Sarap. Sinong may salarin na? Ako?
Ikaw mo. Sakto lang.
Sakto lang.
Sakto yan.
Dami natin kinain.
Nag-calculate mo. 100 na lang. Magigil ako na
Grabe. Tukakain lang. Okay, so this is the time where magpapagod kami kakahanap ng hindi namin alam.
12 na.
Yes, it's 12 na and nandito pa kami sa labas. And our first destination is nothing. We just want to go around and, you know. Everyone, we finished playing. And tignan nyo, medyo oily na.
Ako, ulas na.
Ulas na rin ako. Kailangan na mag-retouch ng atin yun. Sorry. Hi guys! Everyone, we're now going to SNR kasi bibili sa food niya. Bibili sa food niya. 5 na po. 5 na. Nag-expect ako ng sunset pero mukhang walang sunset. Ayun. So, lalakad na naman kami. Puro lakad na lang. So, update. We're here on W Mall. Specifically SNR. Kasi si Ate, ewan ko kung nung sumabi sa kanya, layo-layo ng nilakad namin from MOA to W Mall para lang sa SNR. Kasi gusto niya ng pizza. May pizza naman dun. Babalik pa tayo dun. Pero nag-enjoy naman kami. Hindi ka nag-enjoy? Currently, nilalamig si ate ko kasi wala siyang dalang anything to warm her up. We're here at Tagaytay. We're buying something guys kasi naambon. Kasi Ira rin daw. Here guys. Look at that. That's the aisle. No, here sa taas. Siyempre, picture. Look guys.
Hi guys!
Porket maganda ngayon si Tita May.
I'm so pretty, I know.
Guys, grabe sobrang lamig.
Asa ABS-CBN. Andito!
Ten.
She's a 10! K-drama, nasa K-drama.
Happy New Year, guys! Hello everyone, it's January 1, 2025 and we're gonna eat in Kuta Balwan. Yun lang. Doon ako nalungkot. It's currently closed. So, we're back here. Sarado! Legit! Kami somewhere. Alam basta ang wings kasi sarado ang Baluarte, Wing Bites, and V&B. South Woods kami maghanap dito. We're going to find ang wings talaga. Kasi uwi na kami bukas.
Tira ko ngayon.
Oh.
Sige, libre mo kami.
So, gusto nila guys, Kenny Road. Budget nga natin 320 lang. Tapos gusto nyo pa mag-House of D, 700 times 2. Guys, fit check! Fit check! Ayaw yung mga buntis! Fit check! 2020.
Si kuya, ano?
Saan mo gusto kumain, Jen?
The place, guys, it's giving. Very giving. And the menu. Happy 2025, everyone. Fortunately, we found the place to eat. It is called Frito and Wings and more. Frito and Wings.
Oh. Yan yung grades eh. May PWD ako dito. Person with sakit.
Jess, anong sakit mo, Jess? Eto, ikaw, ano sakit mo, Kuya Bon?
Sakit ko? Hindi ko na alam eh. Ubo.
Yun yung sakit.
Person with disability, ubo.
Ito, may sakit din to.
Ito malala.
Sakit sa utak.
Sakit sa puso.
Uy,
Yun lang.
kaya pala.
Magkano? Everyone, do you want to see bill tag? 3,100.
Reaction stick.
Reaction. Ganyan pag mayaman, nasa. Grabe lang kami, 7. Alayuan niyo siya. TWD. Kasi alam niyo kung bakit. Itaas mo, Jess.
Sa amin, tag 150 lang.